Today we're making drum and bass like Jesus. Well, the Jesus of D&B, Sub Focus.
Wow.
Set the BPM to 174. Let's start with the drums. I'm going to add a kick drum, then a snare, then a hi-hat, then another hi-hat halfway across each bar, then this cool hi-hat loop, then this hi-hat layered with this kick drum to add transient to the sound, then a crash on the very first hit of the drop. Then we have this weird percussion element. You know when you normally put the ghost snare in your drums? Well, Sub Focus likes to add perk hits or synth hits there to add more groove. Then if we just duplicate this, we should get something that sounds like this. Now we need to add that famous pulse bass. So this is the melody I've gone for my track. But what about the actual sound? This is what Sub Focus has to say about it.
For this, I've used a combination of saw waves and then one of the digital oscillators in Serum.
The digital wavetable he's going on about is iCan Has Kick. So let's hear what this sounds like with this patch here. So let's put it somewhere like here. But then right underneath this, we need to add a sub bass. Now listen to how aggressive this sub bass is. And to make this, you just come here and you draw on each bin. So bin 1 at 67, bin 3 at 33, and bin 5 at 4%. Now of course it wouldn't be dance floor D&B without a horn, and we can copy a similar melody to the bass for this. And of course, don't forget to sidechain your kick and your snare to your bass. Now we can add this high string effects in. Let's just make sure it's in E so it matches the rest of the track. Let's not forget a vocal sample.
Go hard all the way up into outer space.
And then finally, Sub Focus loves leads. So let's add a lead in. Now you can add this in over the track all the way through. You could stutter it in the track, similar to the pulse bass, or you could add it in the end section of the tracks. Here I've just put it over the track as an example. And that's everything. You now know how to make a drop like Sub Focus. And if you want all the samples and presets used in this video, then make sure to check out my Dance Floor Drum and Bass sample pack. It's got everything used in this video in it, plus loads more samples, loads more presets, and even some project templates with some complete tracks in, so you can understand Dance Floor Drum and Bass more.
Go hard all the way up into outer space. My body wanna play. This is how we rave. Party every day. What you want me to say? I got that extra money on the runway. Go